Hi guys, welcome back. Today we went to Dollar Tree and we got some great finds that we want to share with you. Let's get started. First, we have these great micro beads and flakes. These are just so sparkly, and those cute little containers. I have a great craft idea that we're going to do in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. Check out this sweet little mini clipboard with the cactus and the little taco. It's going to be fantastic in our American Girl doll schoolhouse, and you can use the paper. It's just so cute. Then we have our sweet little unicorn coin purse. I am just in love with this. It's got the cutest little horn and roses and those sweet unicorn eyelashes. Let's open it up and look inside. Oh, wait, we got to get rid of that foam. And inside, you can put anything you'd like. You can put your change, your lip balms, marbles if you'd like, absolutely anything. And we're going to turn this into an American Girl purse, again, in an upcoming video. These stickers are my absolute favorite. 3D donut stickers with sparkles and yummy icing, and they're just so cute. I can't wait to come up with an art project for these. Look at how nice and thick they are. They're going to just pop right off the page. Yum. And now for my true favorite, the My Little Pony Valentines Day Grab Bag. It's got 2 coloring boards, 3 markers, and 25 stickers. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Open. There it goes. Oh, the markers. There's pink and blue and purple, and they're so tiny. And then look at those sticker sheets. Look at all the My Little Ponies. I see you, Pinkie Pie. And here is our coloring boards, and these are nice, thick cardboard. What a great deal at Dollar Tree. Let's get to coloring so we can stand them up and see how great they look. I had to switch to some markers that we have at home because those little ones that just weren't enough colors. And look at how great they look. Let's pop them out and see how they look. Careful, don't want to damage them. Let's just get them popped out slow and... Oh, perfect. There it is. Oh, it looks so good standing up. Now let's get the little base out so that it can stand up on its own. And we will slide them together. Hey, this one's a little stuck. Hold on one second. Let's see if we can get it to push all the way in. Oh, almost, maybe. Well, it's kind of standing. Close enough. Oh, they look so cute having little hugs. All right, let's do this one. Let's pop it out the same way, very carefully, making sure we don't damage it. Slowly around the hearts, and perfect. Oh, that one looks so good standing up too. And let's pop out the base. That was easy. And we'll put this one together. Oh, clean up that dust from the cardboard. And oh, this one slides in so well. Oh, look at them standing up. Isn't that cute? Oh, and let's put them together. Now, you can do anything you want with these. You can put them on your bookcase. You can put them up for display. You can even use them as little paper dolls. They stand up so cute. And here's everything we got today. What's your favorite piece? Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.